Hello students, now we will solve another problem of a development, but it will be pentagonal pyramid development. So what question is, draw the development of the lateral surface of the pentagonal pyramid having base side 30 mm and axis height 60 mm. Okay, so let us solve this. So for initially what we are going to do is, we are going to draw its base, which is of 30 mm. Now you are aware how we are drawing the pentagonal pyramid. Okay, now for denoting the axis, what we do, marking the or joining this intersection point with the midpoint of this. So this we are going to join this point and midpoint. Okay, and as this is the pentagonal pyramid, so these points needs to be dark one, because this is what we are going to observe from the top view, isn't it? Okay, so base also we can name this as A, B, C, D and E. Then if we project this, okay, if we project all these points, and axis height is given as 60 mm, so axis will be marked like this. Okay, so this axis we have marked, and the same on the same axis this 60 mm distance will be marked. Okay, and this is what is the base, isn't it? And from this particular base, this is what is your point, this is what is your last point. This we will join with the straight line. So these are nothing but the extreme generators, isn't it? Now, similar to the development of an cone, okay, we are going to do the development of an pentagonal pyramid. Okay, but before that we need to do the dimensioning part. So this is what is the dimension, which is 30 mm, isn't it? And axis height is again, say 30 mm. No, it is 60 mm, isn't it? So this is what is 60 mm. Now, how we can do the development? Draw a line which is parallel to this, and draw a line which is passing from this particular base. Then a line parallel to this particular slant line, like this we are supposed to draw. Then keeping this point as center and this much as radius, an arc we are supposed to draw, a light one, isn't it? An arc. Then take 30 mm distance in your compass, put it over here, and again draw 5 arcs like this, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and join this with the straight lines. Okay, similarly join this with these straight lines, not the arc but the straight line, isn't it? So if we expand this, okay, an arc, this will be the arc and this will be the joining line. Similarly, if here is the arc, here you will see the straight line. Similarly, if you draw over here, if this is the arc, straight line will be shown like this, isn't it? And this is what will be the development of an pentagonal pyramid of an plane problem. Okay, I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much. All the best.